So what is it about that one special person that suddenly takes over your mind? You know what I'm talking about, when you catch yourself thinking about them over and over again throughout the day. Or let's be real, more like 100 times a day. What is it about them that makes them so unforgettable? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 ways you can show up in your relationship that will have your man thinking about you constantly, in the best way possible. Let's get into it. Hey there, welcome back! I'm a relationship coach, and I help people create the kind of love life they truly want. If that sounds good to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the little bell, because each week I bring you tools and tips to level up your love life. Let's dive into the first one. Be completely yourself. Seriously, let your true self shine. Let your energy, your intelligence, your creativity, all of it, show up in your relationship. You know, I coach a lot of amazing women who feel like they need to tone themselves down around men. They've got successful careers, they're confident, they're funny, and yet they worry that being fully themselves will scare guys away. But here's the truth. Trying to shrink yourself never works in your favor. There's just something incredibly attractive about a woman who is confident in who she is and doesn't feel the need to please everyone. When you're living in your truth, you honestly radiate a kind of freedom, and that's magnetic. It makes others around you want to rise up too. You actually give your partner permission to be more of himself when you're being fully you. One of my clients was a professor at Stanford, and she used to wonder if she should hide that from men. I told her absolutely not. If someone is threatened by her intelligence or career, they're simply not the right match. So she embraced her full self. And guess what? She met an incredible guy who adored everything about her, and now they're happily married. So don't dim your light. The right man will love how brightly you shine, and he'll shine even brighter with you. Number 2, make him feel like a hero. This one is so simple, yet so powerful. Every man wants to feel important to the woman he cares about. And no, it's not because you need him to take care of you. It's because men, at their core, love to feel helpful and appreciated. When he does something kind, like taking you to dinner, helping you with something, or even pointing out a beautiful sunset, show genuine appreciation. Let him know that you noticed and that it meant something to you. A small compliment can go a long way. My wife once joked, "Thanks for making this sunset for me, and it totally melted me. It made me feel seen and appreciated." And yes, like a bit of a superhero. So if he drives an hour just to see you, say, "I really appreciate you coming all this way." It means a lot. These simple moments create positive feelings, and when he feels good around you, he'll want to be around you more. Number 3, leave him wanting more. It's super tempting at the start of a new relationship to spend all your time together. Long phone calls, marathon dates, non-stop texting, you name it. And while it's sweet and exciting, it can also lead to what I call emotional overload. When someone gets too much of a good thing all at once, they can start to pull back a bit. So instead, give your connection space to breathe. Leave the conversation while things are still fun. Wrap up a date before the energy dips. Try saying something like, "I could talk to you all night, but I've got to run. Let's pick this up again soon." You're showing him that you enjoy the connection, but you also have a life outside of him. That's very attractive. And here's a big one. Don't cancel your plans just because he calls last minute. It's okay to have a full calendar, be kind, but keep your commitments. That lets him know you're living a full life, and he'll be more eager to be part of it. Number 4, focus on the good. Everyone wants to be around people who bring good vibes. People who find joy in the little things, who notice what's going well, who make life feel lighter. When you're that kind of person, you leave others feeling better just by being around you. Sure, life has ups and downs, we all have problems, but we also get to choose where we put our attention. Do you spend your time talking about everything that's going wrong, or do you focus on the beauty that's right in front of you? Be the kind of woman who lifts conversations up. If your partner starts going down a negative path, maybe complaining about exes, work, or life in general, just gently guide the energy somewhere else. There's a great moment in Jerry Maguire where the characters are tempted to bond over all the bad stuff and she just says, "Let's not tell our sad stories." That's genius. Use it. When you're the person who brings light, not stress, he'll remember how he feels around you, and honestly, he'll want more of it. And number 5, give him a 6-second kiss. Yes, just 6 seconds. Not a quick peck, not a rushed goodbye. A real, intentional kiss that lasts at least 6 seconds. The Gottman Institute found that this kind of kiss triggers a release of feel-good chemicals in the body. It's like a little emotional reset, a spark that keeps the connection alive. I started doing this with my wife. Instead of a quick goodbye kiss, we take a moment, just 6 seconds, and it honestly makes a difference. It feels deeper, more connected. Even our kids cheer us on. It's hilarious. It's a small act, but it creates a lasting feeling, and it keeps the spark alive. So now I want to hear from you. What does your man do that keeps him on your mind all day? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks so much for watching. Here's to building an incredible love life, and I'll see you in the next one.